Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's class. In our previous class student, we have discussed about the combustion and its type. What is combustion student? Combustion means it is the chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give heat and light energy. So what is combustion? It is the chemical process. Now all the substances that shows the combustion can be considered as fuel. Or another definition you can also use for the fuel means the chemical substances that are used to release heat and light energy are known as fuel. Like at our home for cooking the food, what is used student? It is fuel. And which fuel we use? It is liquid petroleum gas. LPG, and that LPG contains a particular gas in it, and which that gas is an example of saturated hydrocarbon. And what is it? It is butane student, butane. So the substances that are released to heat and light energy are known as fuel. Now there are the three states of the fuel student: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Solid state fuels are coal and wood because they are found in the solid form. Liquid state examples are petrol, diesel and kerosene. Gaseous fuel examples are student LPG, CNG and biogas. Biogas means methane. They can be considered as gaseous fuel. So there are the three types of fuel. Now we come on the good fuel. Which fuel is considered as good fuel student? The fuel that release more heat and light energy and release the less pollutant in the environment can be considered as good fuel or the best fuel. Like CNG and LPG can be considered as good fuel student. Which fuel can be considered as ideal fuel student? Ideal fuel. There is no fuel that can be considered as ideal fuel student, because all the fuel release the pollutants in the environment, and what they do the air pollution. So there is no ideal fuel. Or ideal fuel definition you can write: the fuel that release negligible pollutant in the environment. Those fuel are known as ideal fuel. And we can say that there is no ideal fuel because all the fuels release the pollutant in the environment. Now we come on the next. It is fuel efficiency student. Now what is fuel efficiency? All the fuels that we use in our daily life student, they have particular capacity to release heat and light energy. That capacity to release heat and light energy is known as fuel efficiency. Means the capacity to release heat and light energy is known as fuel efficiency. Now in this, like cow dung cake has its own fuel efficiency, wood has its own, coal has its own, methane has its own, LPG has its own fuel efficiency, like this biogas, hydrogen gas. Now this fuel efficiency or this capacity to release the heat and light energy is measured with the help of one physical quantity, and that is known as calorific value student. Calorific value. Now what is calorific value? The amount of heat energy per unit kilogram is known as calorific value of the fuel. Means it is the capacity or it is the amount of heat energy that is released by 1 kg of fuel. Like I have written here the calorific value. The highest calorific value is found in which fuel, student? It is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas release 1,50,000 kilojoule per kg amount of heat energy, and it is its calorific value. Like this, biogas like methane have the 40,000 kilojoule per kg calorific value. Next is LPG. LPG has 55,000 kilojoule per kg calorific value. So what is the calorific value? Calorific value is the amount of heat energy that is released by 1 kg of fuel. Now what is 1 kg? 1 kg means it is the amount of the fuel. The amount of the fuel can be measured by the mass of the fuel, student. If we use the 1 kg fuel, then that fuel release these amounts of heat and light energy. Like here it is 6,000, here it is 17,000, here it is 25,000, and here it is 50,000. It is 55 and 55,000 kilojoule per kg is the calorific value of LPG, student, liquid petroleum gas. So it is about the calorific value. Now we come on the fuel, that which fuel can be considered as good fuel. LPG and CNG can be considered as good fuel, student. Why are they considered as good fuel? Because we release more heat and light energy from them. With this, they can be easily handled by us. They can easily transported with the help of pipes, and they release very less pollutant in the environment. That's why we can say that LPG or CNG or biogas are good fuel, because they release more heat and light energy. They can be easily handled and they can be easily transported. That's why we can say them the good fuel. So it is about the fuel efficiency and calorific value, student. Now you will write these important topics in your notebook, and you will also read it in your book. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.